Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given 3 numbers and we will have to find the highest common factor. So in this method, I would actually choose the successive division method because that is the most efficient in this case. All I have to do, I need to divide by a common prime factor that is among these 3 numbers. I see all are even number, so can divide by 2. And when I do that, this is 77. It's 165. 198. Then I start to think about what is the next prime number that I could divide all of them with. So it will, at this point, right, at the back of your mind, it would actually be good to list out the first few prime numbers. Two, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. And you see which one it can be divided by. 3 cannot, 5 cannot, 7, not all of them can divide. 11. And after which, there's no more prime number that it can be divided by. So, the highest common factor will be 2 times 11. 22. 22 is the highest common factor for these 3 numbers. We have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. And if you do like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you and have a nice day.